time to video time.
While we're on vacation here, we figured we would do a little video, take a minute while everybody's napping and getting their beauty rest. Yep. Say hi, Haley.
Hi.
So we get their beauty rest while we go back, go hit the beach again. As you can see, we got a view down here at this beach house.
I'm gonna go jump.
We're staying on the channel. Got our own little private boat dock, little pool. Just a beautiful day out.
It's a cuckoo day.
Actually staying here in North Myrtle Beach. Look at pretty sun. It is bright.
It's cuckoo day.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Say, today we're going to make an instructional video, ain't we?
Yes.
Yeah, we're serious.
I want to do a better video than boring.
Well, it might be a little boring to some of us, but some of these folks out here like ride these side-by-sides out on unknown trails. It'll help them out. Think we can do this just one video and then we'll go back making your videos?
They'll get you some thumbs down and some up.
Okay. Alright. We're going to try to show you an instructional video on how to do download and install Bob T maps onto your Android device. So just kind of stay tuned, and we're going to switch over to another little section that's going to show the tablet that we're using. Okay, this part of the video we are going to show you how to download the Bob T maps onto the Back Country Navigator Pro app. It is the $14.99 app. There's a free one on the Play Store, but it's the wrong one. These files that we're downloading won't work on it, so you make sure you get the one that says Pro. So we're using a Samsung Galaxy 8.4 tablet. It's a Verizon cellular version, but it won't matter. This is just one we use. I just figured I'd say what type this one is. So we're going to go to the website and go to Chrome, and the initial one is you got bobtmaps.com, and then you go down at the bottom, see sidebyside.overland.com. Click on that. We'll post these links in the video here. Once that comes up, you can come down and it says Trail Maps, Bob T Maps. Click on it, and then once that loads up, you can see the BCN Pro files. Click it. Click the lettering on it. That way it'll actually bring it up to the next folder. And you can scroll down. If you want to look at the instructions yourself, I think right here, BCN files and instructions, then you can download it, which that's the point of this video. You won't have to do this, but just to show you. And it brings that up, but it is a good thing to bring this up. This is the point why. Right here it says, the middle one, Get Android File Manager app. You can click on it on the blue writing. It'll automatically take you to your Play Store, and then I've already downloaded it, but you can click download, and then once it gets done downloading and install it, then it'll automatically come to it. It says open. We'll hit open, and then you can hit down at the bottom agreed and continue, then allow, because you have to do that or you won't be able to use it. And then dark theme, I don't need that right now, so I'm going to cancel that. Alright, that's that part of it, so we'll go back to what we was looking at here. Alright. Now we'll go back to here. Down here at the bottom you see West Virginia, Kentucky, August 4, 2021 public maps. Click on it. Actually click on the lettering of it, and then it'll come up and it says download 38.73 megabytes. Click it. It'll be downloading, and it says down here at the bottom, do you want to download? And yes. And you see it's done that quick. Hit open. It'll take you here. Obviously, I've already done this. You can see today, earlier, I downloaded it, and then September the 10th, I downloaded it. But right here is just now. So you should see yours. You click on it, but it won't do anything. You notice right there, can't open file at the bottom. So what we need to do is go back to the home screen, and since it's downloaded, we can go into that new file manager we downloaded. Okay. Then up here at the top, you see this folder. You click on it, and you got a download section right there. Download, and right here you'll see WVA, Kentucky, or West Virginia, Virginia, Kentucky, August 4th file. That's one we need. You can click on it, and it says couldn't find apps to open. So what you do is hold it in, and at the bottom it says send, move, delete, and more. We want to move. Just click move, and then you want internal storage, and then you'll see the folder BCNAV. Click it, and then you'll see data. Open it, and then you'll see mine's already there where I've done it earlier, but at the bottom you'll see paste. Click paste, and as you see, it'll say I replaced mine, so yours won't show that. So I'm gonna hit OK, but then it'll appear right here. So you're done with that part. Now we can just go into the app. Bring the app up. You can click it, and you see there's no maps. It's just a blank map. No trails. I mean, there's no trails. So we go to trip data. And then right here at the top, you says click to change trip database, because currently it's showing tracks and waypoints from trip database default. So it's just what comes with it. We'll click to change map, and then I previously downloaded the 2015 maps just to see what was on it, but here's the updated ones, one we just downloaded, August 4th, 2021. You click it, and if you noticed, all that just popped up. And I didn't notice this when the first time I downloaded it, but there is a legend on here that shows what different color lines mean. Right here, purple is the road, green is easy trail, medium is blue trail, difficult is the red trail, then the black is like a double black, very difficult. Then the light blue, it says Destination Trail State Park. And then the yellow says unverified. So I'm not sure what that is, but there's a few on here. There's also a few, like I see an orange there. I'm not sure what it is. We could probably zoom in and see. Yeah, gated. I guess if something's gated up, it'll be an orange line. So you have very different symbols on here. I'm assuming just like here, that's a gas pump. Railroad, that might be a railroad symbol. Waterfall, they got a waterfall symbol. And I've seen some that's got food. So they've already got gas stations and restaurants marked for you, and trailheads. ABC symbol, it's a school. Okay, so here's a little section that says no ATVs, so probably want to stay out of it. But let's see where we're at on here. I'm trying to see Fish Trap Lake. That way I know we're close to where we live at, because we live in Eastern Kentucky, right on the border of Virginia and West Virginia. So we can go up through here. Should be a Phelps area right through here. So you got Wolf Branch, Tug River Trail. What's this? This is where we ride at, called Bald Knob in Phelps. It's right behind Phelps High School. Then you got Hornets, then Double Quick gas station. So that's the way we went on that 230-mile trip. we've got it on the video. We make sure you check it out. It's 230 miles from one day. That's the way we went that way, and then hit a job over into Virginia, and then went to Wilmore Dam, which should be about right through here. There's Make 1. But it'll take a little bit to figure all this out, so you'll know exactly what's what. But then you got Hatfield McCoy trails through here. Should be Williamson over here, Buffalo. There, Buffalo Creek. So, and it'll obviously have Devil Ants, and then Rock House, and then down towards Gilbert. Alright. But that's pretty much how to do it. So if you like this video, this part, be sure to like it, share it, and hopefully subscribe to it to help our channel grow. This concludes this part of the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching that part of our video. Hopefully you liked it. Maybe you'll share it for us, and other people will have a chance to check it out. Maybe it'll help them out. We figured we'd do this little video to maybe assist some people that would like to download them, but maybe not know how. It is a little tricky, but for somebody that's never done it before, never used a phone or computer, but it's fairly simple once it's broke down. So I hope that you liked everything. Maybe you'll subscribe to our channel. Maybe you'll ask them nicely, say, will you please subscribe to our channel?
Please subscribe to the channel and give me 10 5 stars. I mean 5 million thumbs up.
Alrighty.
And the sunscreen for the sandy sand.
Okay.
It's the best. Bye.
Thank you for watching. You have a blessed day.